This is Thor again off the Slant 6 board. Just an update on Loraine 69 Valiant. I got most of the exhaust all welded up on her now. I changed the rear wheels over to these big honkers, 215 7014s. And now with the new exhaust, I'm going to show you what she sounds like. She's been sitting all night, fired right up. No choke though. Those are supposed to park, but they don't. There's something wrong with the switch or the ground on the motor. Flasher doesn't work. Lights work. Heater cord shot, but the fan works. Still cold, so the valves are clattering just a touch. Tiny exhaust leak up here at the flange. Bit of exhaust leak on the well back here, but legal anyway. Using a stock replacement type muffler. Couldn't believe this thing had 280,000 miles on it, would we? That's how they should start.